Fraud investigations can be complex and time-consuming, but ScanWriter's Case Manager can help streamline the process and make it less tiring for investigators. ScanWriter's Case Manager has a number of powerful features that can help investigators efficiently capture, verify, and organize document data. Its reader can automatically capture all types of document data, whether handwritten or in computer fonts, making it easy to ensure that nothing is missed. In addition, ScanWriter's Case Manager checks for data accuracy and has built-in intelligent error detection, ensuring that investigators can trust the data they're working with. It also allows investigators to organize documents based on customized categories, making it easy to analyze the data in a way that makes the most sense for their investigation. One of the key benefits of using ScanWriter's Case Manager is that it allows investigators to easily export data to visualization tools. This means that investigators can turn complex financial data into easily understandable charts and graphs, making it easier to analyze and present their findings. ScanWriter's Case Manager facilitates collaboration by allowing documents to be easily archived, backed up, and shared. ScanWriter's Case Manager can help you achieve better results and make a real difference in your investigations.